This video is about the Dubb mobile app, one of the most powerful pieces of technology that the team has created here at Dubb. It enables you to really diversify your recording ways that you actually record videos, because a lot of the times if you're recording videos on your webcam, if you do a lot of screen recordings, that's fantastic. But when you switch it up and go mobile, it really lends itself to that authentic feel. Maybe you're doing a walk and talk. The cameras on the phones are amazing. You can do portrait or landscape, and a lot of really neat functionality the team has added. So we're going to look at how to use the Dubb mobile app right now.
This is the home screen here. To record a video, I'm going to tap the blue camera icon in the middle of the screen down the bottom. And as soon as that happens, it's going to open up, and you're going to notice I have a default time for 1 minute. So if I hit record now, it would cut off at 1 minute. You can set it for 15, 32. You can't go beyond 10. Typically what I do is I just slide it over to 10. That way I don't have to worry about it. To record, you're going to tap the circle at the bottom. I'm recording now. You can see the timers at the top and the bottom. I'm going to click it again. And there is the clip that I've just recorded. This clip has been automatically saved to my phone, so I have it in my photo video area if I need it. I'm gonna hit record again. Each clip has to be at least 2 seconds. I'm gonna tap it again. There is my second clip. And I can physically move these clips around. So I'm gonna take my finger, hold one here, and just slide it, just like I could with the desktop app. If I wanna delete one of the clips, I can tap the X down here at the bottom. If I tap a clip individually, then I have the ability to delete, trim, edit. And if I click edit, I can add royalty-free music, I can do voiceover, I can speed up the action, I could add text overlay, all from within this clip right here. These icons over here to the right, this one at the top is going to flip your camera around, show what's in front of you. This one right here is countdown timers. I can do 3 or 10. So I'm going to select 3, hit record, and now it's a 3, 2, 1, just like you saw with the other recordings. I like having the 3, 2, 1 on. Get you time to get ready. This right here is our teleprompter right here. So if you select this one, you can click right up into here to find your script, just like we did before. And then here is the auto scroll, the speed. It's between 1 and 10. You can adjust this up or down. You can hit the play button right there to see if you like the speed. You also can hit the pencil icon. If you want to make any changes on the fly with editing, which can happen, pencil icon, make changes, save. And when you do this, I would go arm's length, slight tilt to the phone, keep your eyes at the top. If your eyes are going down and you find that you're just like looking for the words more, I would increase the speed or use the guardrails and just slide it up so someone can't see that. Now, if you're on an iPhone, and hopefully Android users soon, hopefully, right here to the left, there's a gear icon here. You can click auto track instead of auto scroll. And then when you hit record, I'm going to read the words and it's going to highlight the words as I speak them. Hi there, welcome to Dubb, the video and AI sales communication platform designed to grow your sales by up to 10x. So that's how that would work there, and that is auto track right under here, and then you just select auto scroll if you want to bring it back to that. To close the teleprompter, tap the X. This right here is your folder button on your phone. If there is a video that I have recorded on my phone natively that I want to make part of this story down here, I would select the folder icon. It's going to bring me over to the photo video area. I'm going to select the video that I want. It's going to drop it down here, and then I just take my finger and physically move it wherever I want to move it to. If you want to record your screen, it's this button here. If you want to use filters, which is kind of more of a fun feature here, you can go black and white, you can do skin smoothing, you can do different kind of color gradations, whatever you want to use in here. This is picture-in-picture, which is really cool for real estate folks when they're showing properties. They can be on the screen with what they're showing. But whatever industry you're in, maybe you're going for a walk, you're walking around the office, you want to do something visual where whatever you're showing in front of you, you can be on the screen. You can click picture-in-picture here. I'm going to hit record, and now I'm on the screen with what I'm physically showing. Say, hey, check this out over here, move myself around, do one of these deals, make myself bigger or smaller. Pretty cool visually. And then the last one is going to be your virtual background. Just like we saw in the beginning with the webcam, person's profile, article, company website, property and real estate, whatever it is, just screen grab that stuff on your phone, select here, and then all you have to do is click here, and then just pull up what you want to pull up. I could say, hey, listen, I know you're looking at this ocean for a property here, or if it's an article, just frame yourself, hey, check out this headline right here. You can do a little kind of back and forth, like maybe start here and then kind of say this part right here. All kinds of fun stuff you can do visually just to really bring that home. And then the last part is when you're done and you want to combine all these clips together, you just select this button over here at the top. That's going to merge all of the clips into one video. And then you'll have the finished excuse me, finished version. Again, each clip has on your phone, downloaded automatically on your phone, just like the clips were downloaded automatically to your phone. Same thing with the finished video. And then you can also click upload into the Dubb platform if you want to save it into the platform. We also have burned in captions. So down to the bottom right, over to the right at the bottom of the icons, I just select that little keyboard option right there. And then that's going to extract the audio. It's going to upload it. And then I'm going to have the ability to have a version of this video with the burned in captions if that's what I want. Because you already have a version saved on your phone that was a regular one. So this is what this would look like. If you tap the squares at the bottom, it'll take you to different parts of the video and the script and just highlight the ones that you want. So I'm going to go here. I can change the script to bold, italic. I can do an outline. I can do a different background color if I want to. I can change the text, all kinds of different stuff you can do. And then you can move this, the text, actually towards the middle, which is probably a good idea if you're going to do kind of social media stuff, because you don't want anything to block what the words are. So I kind of put it right in there. And then you can tap the text if you want to make any corrections to any spelling errors. And then when you're ready, you're going to tap the blue icon to the top right, and that's going to burn in the subtitles. And then when this is done burning it in, you will have a copy of this version on your phone. And just like before, you'll have the ability to upload this into the Dubb platform. So that's the Dubb mobile app.
We will see you at the next video.